How to turn on dark mode on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then click this one, accessibility, and now click display, and now all you need to do is just click here and then just select anything you want, then click on, and as you see dark mode has been enabled. And if you want to turn it off again, just click here and then click off. And as you see, that's how to turn on dark mode on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.